Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. It has been such a slow, very chill morning. I've already drank my latte that I made earlier. It was so good. It's been a very relaxing morning, and that's kind of the vibe that I want for the rest of today. I plan on doing some self-care, some skincare, some cozy hobbies. There's a fall book that I want, so I plan on going to the bookstore. It's just going to be a nice day to just really prioritize self-care and relax. So I hope you guys have been doing well. Go ahead and get comfy, grab a snack, and I'm going to go ahead and get dressed and we can head to the bookstore. I am in my comfy clothes now. I do not plan on going out for the rest of the day, so I figure why not just get comfy. But I wanted to show y'all, when I was at Barnes & Noble, I got the pumpkin spice cafe. I didn't want this one specifically. I wanted the other one. It's called the Cinnamon Bun Bookstore, but I've been seeing this everywhere and I'm still really excited to read it. I feel like it would be perfect just to put you into the fall mood. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go ahead and make some brunch. I'm thinking pumpkin waffles sounds so good right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. up coloring for a while and it was so relaxing. So now what I think I want to do is pull up Pinterest on my desktop and make some type of fall mood board, maybe like a bucket list of all the things that I want to do. I do this for every single season, so I am really excited to get started. I've made myself a cup of tea, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on making my Pinterest mood board. It's getting dark outside. I've got my lamps on in here, but the night is not over yet. I still plan on baking something sweet and definitely doing the rest of my self-care. I think first thing I want to do is do some gaming before I start baking and unwinding for the night. I'm in between wanting to play Life is Strange and The Sims. I haven't played The Sims in forever, so maybe we'll do The Sims. But first, let me show you how to make a cinnamon toast crunch cocktail.